Hi, this is Robert Stoll from Financial Design Studio, and today we're going to talk about the Backdoor Roth IRA strategy. This strategy is designed for people who make too much money to be able to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. We're going to talk about why you would want to contribute to a Roth and how you can do that if your income is too high. Now, what do I mean by your income being too high? If you're a single filing taxpayer and your income is over $145,000, then your income is too high to be able to contribute to a Roth. If you're married and your income is over $215,000, same thing. The IRS does not allow you to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. Now, one thing we always tell people is to make sure before you pursue a backdoor Roth IRA strategy is that you're already maxing out your 401k. The backdoor Roth IRA strategy is really designed to do savings above and beyond maxing out your 401k. And then finally, and very important, is that you cannot have any money in a traditional IRA in order to do this strategy. I'm not going to get into all the details of why that is, but in the link below in this video, you'll find a longer blog post that explains all that. So with all that in mind, let's jump right into the strategy. As we jump into the details of how to do a backdoor Roth IRA strategy, it's important to understand the differences between the two IRA choices that you have. In a traditional IRA, you can put money in and get tax-free growth as long as the money is in there. But when you go to take the money out, the IRS forces you to pay income tax on that. So when you take money out, you're not getting everything dollar for dollar. It's reduced for however much taxes you have to pay. A Roth IRA, on the other hand, allows you to not only get the tax-free growth over time, but when you pull money out, you get everything dollar for dollar. They don't tax that at all. So this makes the Roth IRA a really appealing long-term savings vehicle for retirement. The problem, as I alluded to before, is the IRS puts income limits on who can actually contribute to a Roth IRA. So again, if you're single and making over $145,000, you can't put money directly into a Roth. Or married earning over $215,000, again, you can't put money into a Roth. But there is a way to do that, and that's what we're going to talk about right now. Now, to show you how to do a backdoor Roth IRA conversion, I've written some new things here on the screen to kind of walk you through that. So it's really two easy steps. The first step is you have to make a non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA. You heard that right, a traditional IRA. So even though we're trying to get money into a Roth, the first step of a backdoor Roth IRA strategy is to contribute to a traditional IRA. Now, the IRS has income limits, as I mentioned before, that if you make too much money, you're not able to contribute to a Roth IRA. But they don't have those limits for traditional IRAs. You can contribute to a traditional IRA all the time. The only difference is, if your income is too high, they're not going to give you a tax deduction on that. So because your income is really high and you're trying to get money into a Roth, you're perfectly allowed to do step one. Put money, a non-deductible contribution, into a traditional IRA. Now, once that money is in there, we move on to step two. And what you do in that step is you convert that traditional IRA money to a Roth IRA. So that money, whatever you put in, suppose you put in $6,000, and that's what you want to get money into the Roth. You first put it into the traditional IRA as a non-deductible contribution, and then immediately convert that to a Roth IRA. Now, those are really the only two steps that you need to do a backdoor Roth IRA strategy. So obviously, what do you need to be able to do this? You need a traditional IRA, and you need a Roth IRA account. Usually we recommend that you open these at the same bank or custodian just to facilitate the process and make everything really nice and easy. Now you can see here, you've basically accomplished exactly what you would have been able to do if your income wasn't too high. So if your income wasn't above the Roth IRA contribution limits, you'd take your $6,000 and put it right in the Roth IRA. Easy peasy. But if your income is high, you have to go through that one extra step of taking that $6,000, putting it in the traditional IRA first, and then converting it to a Roth IRA after that. One question people often ask us when we're explaining this strategy is this even legal? It is. I don't know why the IRS allows you to do it this way, but not this way, but that's the way the rules are set up. A lot of financial planners, and including ourselves, have been helping high-income earning clients with this strategy for a long, long time. So as long as the rules allow it, we recommend it. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do a backdoor Roth IRA strategy, we link to a detailed blog post just below this video where you can find out more information and more detail on all the rules and regulations that go with doing this strategy. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit like right below and subscribe to our channel. We're always publishing new content like this to help you understand different strategies for managing your finances. Until next time, take care and thank you.